Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to show you how to build an email marketing funnel in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Automations, then click Create Automation to begin. Give your funnel a clear name like Welcome Funnel. Then set your entry trigger, such as when a contact submits a form or receives a specific tag. Click the plus icon to add your first email, which should be a welcome message that delivers value and sets expectations. Next, add a wait condition for 1 to 3 days. Then add your second email focused on educating the subscriber with helpful content. Continue alternating between wait steps and emails to gradually move contacts from awareness to consideration. To add a branching path, click the plus icon and choose a condition to split based on whether a contact clicked a link, allowing interested subscribers to receive a sales-focused email while others continue with educational content. Finish with a final email that includes a clear call to action, such as booking a consultation or making a purchase. Once your funnel is complete, toggle the automation from Draft to Live, and ActiveCampaign will automatically move contacts through your marketing funnel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I will see you in the next one.